Yeah, my question is, if I have a concealed carry permit and I am pulled over by an officer and I have a gun in my car, and am I obligated to tell the officer I have a gun in my car?
Well, my advice would be to say yes. Now, is there a black and white statute that necessarily makes it a crime because you didn't mention it? Not necessarily, but I think that for everybody's safety, it makes it much, much better to say that. And I know when I went and had my concealed carry permit with Mike Jones and the National Rifle Association course, that's one of the things that they taught us right away, and most law enforcement officers appreciate that. So the safest thing to do is yes, notify them, be calm, don't just say I have a gun. As I said earlier, I would make sure the hands are 10 and 2 on the wheel, let the officer know, sir or ma'am, I have a concealed carry permit. The officer is going to know the steps to take. The last thing you want to do is be jolting around or have the officer see that weapon if it's in plain view and you didn't tell them about it. Your traffic stop is going to go downhill in a hurry. So my advice would be yes, but use common sense in the manner in which you tell them. Don't just pull it out and say, hey, I got a weapon here, you're gonna get shot and killed, and justifiably so.
Yeah.
So
you know, a lot of times registration's kept in a glove box or a concealed, and that's where the gun is.
Right.
And when you reach over to get that and the officer sees gun, gun is what they see. They don't see that you're reaching for something else.
Absolutely.
And so, again, use your common sense in the situation, slow it down and take your time. You'd rather say, hey, I'm going to go to my glove box, I'm going to get my registration. I also have a weapon in the glove box. I have a concealed carry permit. Officer, what would you like for me to do? And then let the officer give you calm directions as to about what, what needs to be done.